What's up, guys? Mike here, and I'm sorry for the lack of videos. I know I have a series going on, but I got really busy around the house, and shaking in the way. So today, I know I did a video a while back for my everyday carry. Um, for my everyday carry. So today I want to go over again because I added some things and some things uh how do I say it? What the hell did I do with it? But um today I'm gonna show you my EDC everyday carry. And let's start out with the keys. The keys. I took out the little Streamlight of my Fat Boy Max Expedition, and I put it on this, and I have a bottle opener right here, and I have a little cushion Emerson with the CQC 2K, I think. I'm not sure. I know this is the 2 version. So that's the keys, and I have a real good carabiner. I wanted black, but I don't have no black carabiner, so that what I have to do. Now, this is something new. A watch. This is a vast watch. So good. I love it. This fits me. I have small wrists, so a good band. It fits real good. I love it. It don't wiggles. It don't, go over my wrist, and it looks really good. I got this a couple weeks ago. Kind of a birthday gift to me. I bought myself that for my birthday. So now I'm so happy because I found my favorite flashlight is a Streamlight Pro Tech 2. This is my favorite because this is really powerful. It's 70 lumens, and it runs off triple A's. Yeah, triple A's. Like, yeah, triple A's. So this is gonna go in my EDC on my person. What I used to carry was a little Streamlight Pro. Right? No. Streamlight Micro Stream. I always get that mixed up. I do have the Streamlight Pro, and I always get that mixed up. So, I have one. My fiance carries one too. She has my old black one. I think it's this is 45 lumens. I think so. So pretty good, pretty compact. Wallet, school ID, all that good stuff. I forgot something. On my wheelchair, I always carry another light. I kind of modified. Oh, where is it? Right here. I had an old buck case that I modified. I cut the lid off because every sheath I had didn't fit this. So what I did to cut this and offset. It's on my wheelchair. I have like a little string going around, and it's like right on my right side, so I can just. This is a light core. I'm not sure which one, but there are 3 modes. This is 1,000 lumens. I think this is like 12, 300, and 1,000. I always keep it on 12, so very good. I love this one. That goes off of 18 and 6, 50 batteries. So the flashlight is all done now. This is what changes a lot. You know me. What the fuck? What that sound? I did not like that sound. Oh well. That was a weird sound. But what changes the most is my knives. I kind of nailed it down to 5 of them. The one I carried today was a Ontario Rat 1. I sharpened this today. My newest one that I got was a Spyderco Indoor 4 G10. I love this knife. This has been my EDC since I got it, since yesterday. I started carrying this and I went to the Ontario Rat 1. Some days I go with the cold steel, broken skull, that cold steel sent me, which I love. I love this knife. I love it. Very, very sharp. Um, I know because I sharpened it, but it was a little hard to close at first, but little oil, little play with it, and good. Next one is cold steel AK-47, the large version, not the mini. I love this knife too. That one, that one needs a little oil. And I'm gonna do a video on how to loosen up lock backs. And this is a cold steel Recon 1 spear point version. They're good, very strong. And I just remembered I'm missing one knife, which I do carry, so it's gonna be 6 knives. Hold on. I had to sharpen this one too today, so it wasn't. I didn't remember. Don't remember where I put it. But the K-Bar Mini Dozer, this is one of my, when you're not going nowhere or like just chilling at home, this is a good knife. This is a good knife overall. Very easy to close, which I like. I can't flick it out, but it's alright for the most part, and it's deadly sharp. I'll put a nice edge on it, and nice. I love it. So that's my EDC. Most, as I evolve the knives that I carry, it will have to be the mini Dozer, and then the cold steel Recon 1. That's the most, those knives are the most used. And what I'm gonna do is keep this one in my EDC and carry this more. So from now on, this is gonna be my EDC again. So and my flashlight, keys, piece of shit, dumb phone. And not a smartphone, that's a dumb phone. Wallet. This flashlight. And there you go. hope you like this video. I want to add a lot more, I just don't know what. I do carry a pen, but there's like pens or not that fascinating. So, you know. So, I hope you like this video, and I highly recommend you carrying a flashlight and a knife. These are the main EDC things that you should carry, other than your phone and your wallet. I don't care who you are. You should have a flashlight and a knife. So, like I always say, never give up, never surrender, and give loyalty and respect to everyone, especially your damn motherfucking self. So, I thank you for watching.